Hi everyone, my name is Andini Putri Dinata. I'm a student at SMA Negeri 1 Regency. My school was located in Legend Village, RENGEL district, Tuban Regency. In my village, there's a famous tourism place called Goa Ngerong. Usually people call it as Ngerong Cave. And now, I'm going to tell you a famous story of it. That is the Legend of Goa Ngerong. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom named Kingdom. The kingdom was located in here, in Bajaragung village, RENGEL district, Tuban Regency. The kingdom was led by a king named Raden Arya Banga. He was smart, brave, and wiseful king. Because the kingdom was located in limestone mountain, the Gomengan kingdom has difficulty accessing the water source, especially during the dry season, so that people are often hit by hunger and long droughts. One day, a maid came to meet Arya Banga. The maid wanted to tell a bad news. Excuse me, my lord, I would like to tell you something important. Arya Banga was curious after the news. Something important. Please tell me. My lord, the drought in our country has drained the spring. Arya Banga was shocked hearing the news. I see. This is a very serious problem. Yes, my lord, and I'm afraid there will be fight and bloodshed because of this matter. I will think about the solution. Arya Banga cannot sleep because of this problem. He almost gave up, but suddenly he heard an unknown voice from nowhere. Hey, listen to my voice carefully. I will help you to solve your kingdom's problem. Arya Banga was so confused. Did I misheard something? The unknown voice responded. No, you did not. Now, listen to my voice. If anyone wants to meditate in the top of a mountain called Andong village, the Gomengan kingdom will survive during the droughts. Alright, I will hold my study competition. A few days later, the news are spreading around the world. Then, someone named Kiai Jalak Ijo came to see Raden Arya Banga. Excuse me, my lord. My name is Kiai Jalak Ijo. I am ready to join on your contest. Raden Arya Banga. Kiai Jalak Ijo, are you sure? Yes, my lord, I'm sure. I will meditate until the full moon is ended. Arya Banga was so happy. Okay, I'll put my trust on you. Yes, my lord. That was the king response. Go to the hill to receive the instruction. He also chanted his spells. Madam Putri King Grono, sedakap saluku tunggal, nutupi babah nawoso, muji marang besar kang mumpung piseso. He closed his eyes. After that, Kiai Jalak Ijo received instruction to stick ground in a place that was part of the kingdom. Oh my god! Suddenly, the place that sticky ground became a search of heavy water. Oh my god! I should inform this to the Raden Arya Bangas.